Hi guys, and welcome to the YouTube channel Finance for Beginners. So today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can copy a trade on Etoro. First of all, just log into your Etoro account after going on to etoro.com on your Google Chrome browser or any web browser that you use. Here I have already logged in into my account. After that, on the left hand side of the screen you can see this type of pop-up. If you don't see it, it might be on this kind of form. Just click on this arrow button and it will largen up. From here, scroll down and you'll see a copy trader option right here under more. If you click on the copy trader, you can see that now it will take you to the copy trader option. From here, you are able to select all of these peoples where you can see all the returns and risks as well. After selecting the one they want to copy the trade of, click on its profile or their profile and then go on to view stats. After clicking on view stats, you can also see their overview, their stats, their portfolio, as well as their charts. Now to copy the trade, simply click on this copy option and this pop-up will appear on your screen. To copy this investor's trade, you just need to put in the amount and click on invest. After that, you'll be able to copy the trade of the investor. This was for this video and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.